Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. On this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over a couple reasons why why you wouldn't be able to get into your vehicle. Number one is the car battery could be dead, and number two is the battery in your remote could be dead. Now you see this remote is just a remote. You can hit the unlock button on the button and say the battery is dead here, or the car battery is dead, and then your car door won't unlock. This also has a button you can push here which will unlock the car if the battery, so this one wouldn't work if the car battery is dead or this battery is dead, because it communicates with the car within a range, right? But we have a keyhole here, but we don't see the key. So get access to it, there is a metal key inside here that we need to pull this little black tab and then just pull the key out. And then when you pull the key, you can see won't get in. When you pull the key out, you can put it in there, turn it to the right, so toward the back of the vehicle, and that unlocks the door. And then once you got the door unlocked, then you can be able to pop the hood to get inside to do whatever you need to do to replace the battery or jump start your battery. If it's not that the battery is dead there, then you would want to go through the process of replacing the battery in your remote and then be able to try to open it. Also, if this battery is dead, it sometimes will hinder you to be able to even start the vehicle itself, because it won't communicate with the vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.